Hello guys, here Pocky is a trainer. Today we are going to discuss about the July other news other than uh, other than the sorry for the noise other than mm, other than the GoFest. So on GoFest, on July they will be not only for GoFest. There will be more and more other items. Anyway, let's finish this battle and go to say about Tree Beedoof. Let's catch my first our shadow Beedoof. If you don't know, there will be a Beedoof cup. What a boring thing. Let's go and check it. 241. Sometimes the Niantic will be giving us a compulsory Beedoof cup to play. Only Beedoof cup will be there for to play. Then that will be really suck. Alright. You're tough? Then I am also tough. So let's go to first. I am going to talk about the research breakthrough. It is going to be none other than Rufflet. If you don't know about it, its shiny variant has been released. Some of the people have only that. Maybe in future Rufflet community they will come. You can encounter a Rufflet from research breakthrough. So let's talk about the other discuss through PokemonGoLive.com. Coming in July, Pokemon Go Fest and more. Trainer, Pokemon Go Fest may be just around the corner, but that doesn't mean you will have to wait to enjoy exciting events in July. Read on for what we have in store. July Research Breakthrough Encounter from Thursday, July 1, 2021 at 1 p.m. to Sunday, August 1, 2021 at 1 p.m. PDT. You will encounter Rufflet in Research Breakthrough Encounter. As an extra bonus, July, you will also receive a free remote ride pass when you achieve a research breakthrough. If you got a shiny, it is a useless Pokemon. To Spice Peak in Ultra League or Master League, you can use it. But the benefit, Niantic want to ask you to complete the breakthrough research. I even complete it even if it is not a better encounter. Now you are getting a free raid pass. Double SP for research breakthrough will also continue throughout this month as a part of Season of Discovery. Until Season of Discovery, you can get double XP. Oh, I don't like this. Featured Pokemon in race. The following Pokemon will be appearing in 5-star race throughout July. Beedoof will be appearing in 5-star raids on Thursday, July 1 from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. One day full video will be appearing in 5-star every X. If you are lucky, you may encounter shiny beetle. For information about the various beetle shenanigans or the horizon, check out the Beetle of Day blog. I think that is about this avatar. New clothes will be wow. If you don't know, I have made a video about Pokemon Go Fest. There I say that there will be no mythical Pokemon will be appearing in 5-star raids. That means the mythical Pokemon Videoxys will be appearing in different form in 5-star raid from Thursday, July 1, 2021 at 8 p.m. to Friday, July 16. Nice! I want a Great League one. If you are a player, PvP player, just say. Now, legendary Pokemon Mewtwo will be appearing in 5-star raids from Friday, July 16 at 10 a.m. to Friday, July 23. You can also encounter Mewtwo. I think they must bring Mewtwo and Darkrai together, so people can get Darkrai. Darkrai is a mythical Pokemon too. So anyway, Mewtwo is also good. Different Pokemon will also be appearing in 5-star raids on the second day of Go Fest. So keep a lookout. Only Mewtwo will appear as Go Battle League encounter for rank 20 and up on the second day of Pokemon Go Fest. What? Only Mewtwo? Okay. They should give at least 5 legendary Pokemon. Only Mewtwo? I was waiting for Giratina, Dialga, like Pokemon, Cresselia. Anyway, stay tuned for more update on which will be appearing 5-star after July 23. Okay, the Mega Evolved Pokemon in appearing. Mega Houndoom from June 1 to June 16. Mega Gengar, July 16. Oh, sorry, the Mega Houndoom July 1 to July 16. July 16 to July 23. Mega Charizard X, July 23 to August 6. Every Wednesday in July, a raid available that we know. Wednesday, July 7, for DX6. July 14, difference from DX6. Wednesday, July 21, 2001. If you passed the level of 40, then go and collect it. Mewtwo will be good in Master League. I think they should bring on that day some Mewtwo raider, Armored Mewtwo. That will be exciting. In the month of July, Pokemon Spotlight Hour will take place every Tuesday from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. local time, and each of these hours will spotlight a different Pokemon and bonuses. Tuesday, July 6, 2021. Bulbasaur. Twice SP for catching. What? They are giving us a starter Pokemon? July 13. Charmander will be appearing twice the candy for catching Pokemon. Squirtle will be in a spotlight hour to earn twice the candy for transferring Pokemon. People will play this if you are a new player, but who got shiny, they will not play it happily. Because of bonus, they will also play. Natu will be appearing in the spotlight hour, and you will earn twice the XP for evolving Pokemon. Okay. July Community Day. Let me know. Tip pick. July 3, 2021 from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. local time. Okay. Don't forget about it. Tepic's evolution is not that interesting. That is not good for PvP or PEV. That means raids or Go Battle League. But it's a shiny variant is so cool. That will be a new released shiny if you don't know. Pokemon Go anniversary celebration from Tuesday, June 6th at 10 a.m. to Thursday, July 15, 2021 at 8 p.m. local time. Pokemon Go will be celebrating its 5-year anniversary. Stay tuned for more details in early July. July 6th, 10 a.m. to July 15th. It's the 5th anniversary? Yeah. Go Battle Night. Don't forget the Go Battle Night. On Sunday, July 11, from 6 p.m. to 11:15 a.m. local time, the second Go Battle Night will be complete up to 100 and receive 3 times the Stardust for winning a complete set and ranking up. That means you will get now it is 2 and that time the Master and Elemental Cup does not do. Then you will get, please note that Stardust 1 and 2 Go Battle Night will not come. Okay. Tuned Stardust bonus. That means I was wrong. For the Go Battle League, that will be active from Monday, June 28 to July 12. Okay. For more details on how to Go Battle League, check out the Season 8 blog. Pokemon Go Fest, the largest event of the year, is nearly here, but you still have time to buy your stickers. Pokemon Go Fest will take place on July 17 and 18. Each day will provide a unique experience. Trust us, this is an event you won't want to miss. Check out our blog announcement blog for more info. Check out the shop and pick your ticket. If you and your fellow trainer work hard together during the year, there may be more ultra exciting to come and beyond. Okay, others are, we want to be safe. So if you understand this video about the updates of July, so share to your friends and and subscribe and give a like. So thank you.